Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. There with Judah. Oh, she looks so good.
Thanks, boo.
But yeah. Yo, to be quite honest, what I like about this trip is that I know some persons might watch the vlogs and think that Judah is like super high maintenance or whatever the thing is, but in truth, she's pretty chill. Like just like me, like I like nice things in life, but I will do like really chill stuff. So like I know most persons might be thinking like every time she wanna take a cab or whatever, but yo, she's willing to, you know, do the trekking sometimes, you know, see where we're going, and most times she even suggests it. So
Exactly.
it's a vibe. All right, so I forgot to tell you guys like what the motive for today is, and that actually is we'll be going to Dairy Queen. So we're gonna go to Dairy Queen, get some ice cream. Judah wants cake, I believe, so she's gonna get cake. And then we are going to, I don't know, maybe check the park if it's still open. If not, then we just head to La Palpas. Yeah, La Palpas is like in some central part of Cancun where they're gonna have, you know, quite a bit of street food. But not just basic street food, she said, but more, you know, like maybe like Valladolid, that it was, you know, very vibrant, who knows. Oh, the baby can't get her cake. They only sell the whole cake and we don't want some that big. We wanted like a slice or minimum, right?
Yeah.
So she saw that we couldn't get the larger cake, so she ended up giving us samples, right babe? Which I thought was really good. Did you like the sample?
Yeah, this is a strawberry chocolate one.
You like that one?
Yeah, it's nice.
I just find stuff like that really cool because really she never had to do that, you know, so that's a vibe. Alright, so we got the brownie temptation. I love that because it's a blizzard. Turn it upside down and it's still gonna be good. And they've got the Chico. No,
Mini.
the Mini, the smaller one. Alright, so we're here walking on the street. Judah's there in front of me. Quick question of etiquette. Alright? You're walking on the street with your woman. Where should she stay positionally around you? Should she be behind you? Should she be in front? Should she be over here or over there? Yo, drop it in the comments, let me know. I'm gonna see how much guys out there are gentlemen or you know anything. And don't tell me say I drive. I know some people will be like, yo, well I drive, so she's in the passenger seat. Drop in the comments, alright? Cool. Yo, mission accomplished. There is actually one dog. Every time I come to Mexico, I just want to see, and I just saw it. Yo, if you guys know that as well, drop it in the comments, yo. Let's see how much you guys know about Mexico. But anyway, we're almost to the park, and Judah is just like, yo. Judah don't walk nowhere. Judah don't exercise none time.
I do.
Nah.
Yeah, I had my gym membership for last month. Please remember that.
Yeah,
Okay.
there's a difference with having a gym member.
And
I have a gym membership and I do
every other day.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. How's the baby? Yo, she boss.
I had to stop to take a quick 5 seconds, guys. Like, this is not it.
I think we're there though, babe.
We're almost there.
We're almost there because I can see like the entrance.
Yeah, we'll have a car.
Okay. Alright, so we just, yo, it's crazy. We came off the street not even maybe 10 meters ago, and in here it feels almost deafening, a little bit. It feels like a park. It feels like I'm walking into a jungle. That's kind of cool. Alright. Okay, museum. This feels kind of spooky. Oh, there's an animal. I think the animal we just saw is a lemur. There's a cartoon I used to watch on TV with the lemurs. Well, one lemur. I don't know what it's called. Oh, I think it's a lemur. It's over there. Whoa, it's pretty cool. how they are just allowed to be free. Because there's no... Oh, it's in the tree. There's one in the tree too. Oh. Them just free, like nobody not. There's no gate to it. And his balls are hanging out. Damn, bro. Living his best life. That's dope. Look at him. Damn, he's just drinking water. That's cool. What do I do? I only know this animal from cartoons. I have no clue as to like their ferocity. Like, will he bite my hand off? I don't know. But he seems pretty chill. So I just asked the guy just now. He said it's called a quati. I was saying to Judah, like, even though it came up, I tried not to make any interaction with it. Just by as being a kid growing up, I used to watch people like Steve Irwin and all them stuff. And like what I noticed them always saying is, it's a wild animal. So even though it's in captivity somewhat, you want it to still remain skeptical or, you know, knowing of human, not knowing, but, you know, afraid of human beings. Because you don't want the animals in the wild to go to human beings where they'll be captured. They should, you know, stay away. So I didn't pet it. But in here is, wow. It's just cool. It seems it's a whole jungle vibe. I see some people in some athletic type of clothing. Seems as if they're working out with the animals and stuff. It's dope. These guys are just living their best life.
Go work out, bro.
God, yo, she's crazy. Run across again. Oh my gosh, yo. Here's like a great spot to, like, if you have children, to bring them as well. To just like easy me chill a little bit. But yeah, there goes more people. Hey, move your little thing in front of the camera. Everybody see a pump and jotting.
Oh, but I'm canceling my butty jaw.
Not different. People over there just exercising and stuff. I wonder if it's bigger than here. This can't be all of it. Like, me really hope in Jamaica them can build more stuff like this, you know?
They actually are, you know.
Really?
Yeah, by the park side, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
There's a whole park theme about it, like an emancipation park type of vibe.
Mm-hmm.
But for like exercise and games and kids and whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, I know Emancipation Park is a start.
No, as in that place is by the park. I'll show you the next time.
Okay, cool. Alright, so we've decided to move on to another park because I'm certain that this park is super big based on the allocation on the map. So we're just going through this little jungly looking part, which is cool. And this is what I was trying to explain, babe, in terms of, I know Jamaica has these parks and stuff, but I'm talking like in terms of where it feels like they're trying to preserve like the ecosystem in that sense. It's there.
You have to go there to see. It's a girl from my high school actually helped to do development. Yeah.
Okay.
So these are trails.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, so the trail continues there. If you want to go jogging, you can do like get your whole jogging groove on. But that's not for people like Judah.
Hell no.
I wonder if there are crocs in this water here. I would suppose so. I don't remember if I saw any pictures of any crocs or anything like that, but it's caged off. But I don't see any signs that suggest that though. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys a really cool app Well, the Google Translate, everybody knows that, but there's an update on it with the camera. So it's not just words. So I'm gonna try to aim it. If you guys can see, like, the words change a bit. Yeah. So that app was suggested to me by Judah. I mean, I've always had the Google Translate app on my phone, but I never recognized that the camera section, which is cool. So you can actually freeze whatever you're seeing there. You can scan it, but the limitation was if it's too far, it's a problem because you can't zoom in with it. So you have to go up close, and there are crocodiles in there. It's like a habitat for some crocodiles. So is it in my love, no? But not so much. Yeah, so there are signs there that show you, different stuff. So we're at this Solar Maya place. I don't know what it is.
The huts, babe.
Just huts?
Yeah, like the Mayan huts back in the day.
Oh, okay. Oh, and even the water well as well.
Need to be cleaned.
Needs to be cleaned. I guess, well, it doesn't go all the way down, like.
That would be dangerous.
Can you imagine you carry a pig and go, hey,
Exactly.
Jorito, Jose. Kids are gone. Ah, wow. Babe, where did time travel? Go back time. Can you imagine back in the day you have this hotel, you get all the girl them. Every girl on your body. You must say, hey, look at that, sunroof. Yo.
Great hot vibe.
Yeah, definitely a great hot vibe. And in here it does feel cool.
Yeah, like it's not bad.
It's not bad. Alright, so we found something closer to try the app. Wait, sorry babe. And I just pause the translation. And there it says, your wood is hard and beautiful. Thanks. So, walking by the crocodile habitat, it kind of put something in my head, which is, persons in their life can literally plant seeds of doubt. When I say seeds of doubt, they tell you something, they say you can't do something, and, you start believing it. This happened when I went to Portland and my brethren said, there's no crocodiles in the water. So, I had faith in him because I know in Jamaica, mostly St. Elizabeth has crocodiles. Of course, they're wild animals. They can stray all bunch of crap, but I had faith in what he said. But after I did the video and I saw the comments, persons were like, crocodiles, 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 crocodiles. And it kind of got to a point where I'm just here like, yo, I'm not going back in the water there because crocodiles, So, if I were to listen to all these comments in the wrong way, not saying that you guys are not trying to look out for our best interest, I probably would never want to go back to that location. But make sure that people are planting like good seeds in your mind, you see me, and not just the bad ones. Anyway, we've done looking through all this fantastic stuff here, so what we're gonna do, sit down for a little bit.
I want some water.
You want some water? Yo, another thing, since I've been here, you have to be doing constant hunger checks on Judah. Babe, you hungry? Because she can't eat. And if she's hungry, my day is